Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today I'll be showing you how to sign up for a Warmbox AI account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to register an account on the Warmbox AI, first open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in the address warmbox.ai and hit on enter, and after that you'll be directed to the home page of Warmbox. And now in order to sign up for a Warmbox account, at the top right section of your screen you can see the get started button available for you. First click on that get started button over here, and then you'll be taken to the registration process of Warmbox over here. And after we land on the sign up page for the Warmbox, you can see the places to enter your details. So let's do that. Let's enter our username or the name we will be using later on the Warmbox. And over here let's enter our email address, which we are going to use to log in to our Warmbox later on. And enter your password, guys. While creating your password, make sure to add some capital letters, some small letters, and numbers with some extra characters just to make it strong. And after entering all of your credentials, click on this box where it says the I accept the terms and conditions and the privacy policy, and of that this create my account button will be available for you. Click on that create my account button first, and then you'll be uh, able to create your account with all of these credentials. And on the next step you'll be required to verify your email address, by which after clicking on the create my account button, a verification link will be sent to you on your email, on this email to be precise. And after you have verified or clicked on that link sent by the Warmbox, you will have already signed up for a Warmbox account from over here. And after the verification, you will be able to use your Warmbox AI account with ease on your computer. And with that being said, guys, this is how you sign up for a Warmbox AI account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.